If this is your life, you need to be using the causative.
English lessons.
What is the causative and why would you need it? Well, to help me, let me introduce you to English teacher Neeraj. He's just a regular person, but he likes to do everything himself and he likes to save money. He trims his own beard. He cooks his own meals. He painted his apartment last summer. It took him a while. He buys his own clothes now and again, even though he hates shopping. He goes everywhere by bicycle. If it rains, he has to hold his own umbrella. Now let me introduce you to the world famous Neerajito. He's a fabulously wealthy reggaeton artist. He has his beard trimmed for him by his personal barber twice a week. He has all of his meals cooked for him by his private chef. He recently got one of his mansions repainted pink. He gets his clothes made for him by his tailor. He gets driven all over the city in his limousine by his driver. And when it rains, he has his umbrella held for him by his butler. As you can see, our friends have very different lifestyles. English teacher Neeraj does everything for himself, whereas Neerajito has everything done for him. Did you notice how we described Neerajito's life? He gets his beard trimmed. He has his meals cooked for him. He gets his umbrella held for him. And he gets driven all around the city. In a situation where we get somebody to do something for us, we use a structure called the causative structure. This structure is formed from have or get plus the thing plus a verb in the past participle. Have something done. It's called the causative because you cause something to happen. You don't do it yourself. For example, Neerajito gets his beard trimmed twice a week by his personal barber. He gets his umbrella held when it rains. Neerajito has his meals cooked for him. Now, we don't have to be rich, famous reggaeton stars to have things done for us. Most of us need to get things done for us because it's cheaper, because it's faster, or simply because we can't do these things ourselves. So that's when we need to use the causative structure. So tell us, do you get your hair cut regularly or do you do it yourself? Tell us in the comments about some things you like to get done. Now, I'm not a famous reggaeton star, but I do like the idea of having a chef cook for me. So let's see if I can get that done.